Hello, me again, your favorite math teacher. So now we're done with fractions. I want to talk about factoring out decimals. We're doing the same style, except it's just a different flavor of number. We're factoring out the coefficient. So what's the coefficient in this situation? What was that? Oh, all right, 2.2. Good. So that's what we're going to be factoring out. That's what we're going to be pulling out of each of the terms inside of our parentheses. That means we need to divide each of these terms by that coefficient, by 2.2. Well, let me save you guys a little bit of trouble here. If you're dividing by the coefficient, it's canceling these out. 2.2 divided by 2.2, anything divided by itself is 1. So that easily just cancels out and we're left with x. I can write it in blue to keep with the theme I've been doing. So x is going to be left here. Now I need to do 4.4 divided by 2.2. You can say, well, how many 2.2s can fit into 4.4? You might be able to quickly see that, but in case you don't, 4.4 divided by 2.2. When you have a decimal outside, you need to slide it, which means you need to slide this one. So what you're really going to be doing is 44 divided by 22. How many times can 22 fit into 44? 2 times. So 4.4 divided by 2.2 is the same as 44 divided by 22, which is 2. So we have a 2 here, a plus in the middle. Am I done? No! I have to put the factor on the outside of my parentheses. I have to put that 2.2 out here, because if I don't, my answer is wrong. When I factor, when I pull this number out, I need to make sure that my answer is the same thing as what I started with. My answer should be equivalent to the problem that I was given. That's why we use distributive property to check our answer, because if we do that, we should get the same thing that we started with. And if I distribute this 2.2 to my x and then to my 2, I really should be getting the same thing that I started with, right? 2.2 goes into x, 2.2 is going to go to 2. When you multiply those together, you're going to have 2.2 times x plus 2.2 times 2. Remember how to distribute? Yeah, you do. And that means we're just going to get 2.2x plus 4.4. And yep, that's the same thing we started with. So I know that this answer is correct.